Yeah. It feels good. Yeah. It feels good. Yeah. It feels good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jamala, and in today's video I'm going to be doing these Fulani inspired half feed-in, half knotless braids. As you can see, I already have pre-parted and started the back half of my head. So I like to pre-part just to make things a little bit easier, and also it just gives me room to, you know, change things up as I go, but also just make things go faster. So I'm just going to go ahead and start and continue actually to do these knotless braids in the back, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I do those. If you want more details on how to do knotless braids, I have videos on my channel. I will have those linked below, or you could just go ahead and scroll through my channel, because why not? And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that so you can see more of what your girl can do. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I wanted to do some like color, so I'm going in with this 30 color hair, and yeah, we're just gonna go with that, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the rest. I'm definitely not the best when it comes to parting, especially like in the back of my head when I'm doing stuff on myself. You know, I'm a perfectionist, so when I can't get my parts right, it upsets me. But I don't think I did too bad. You know, I got some hairs in places they shouldn't be, but overall, this is not bad. Like, this is probably the best I've ever done my knotless braids on myself. But yeah, so I'm about to finish this up, and then we're going to start the feed-in braids in the front. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of show you how I did that. I'm not going to talk too much about how I did it because, yeah, I just feed in the hair. It's not much to it. But, yeah, I tried to do, like, some design. It didn't work out, girl, so I can't really, like, tell y'all how I did it because it didn't work out. But I guess I can still kind of, you know, give you some type of guidance, I guess, or, you know, the steps that I took. So maybe you can go ahead and do it better than I did. All right, so boom. I started off by putting one braid in the middle of my head. I had to do that off camera because it's hard for me to find the middle of my head. I feel like my head is shaped like a cone, so yeah, it just be hard for me to make a middle part for some reason. But anyways, I did that off camera, and now I'm gonna start. And I'm gonna start by going to the side of that braid. I'm not gonna go like all the way towards my ear, just so I can make sure that all my braids are the same as the opposite side. And I'm parting at a slight angle, and then I'm going to begin starting to feed in the hair. I feed in small pieces and then increase the pieces as I go. I don't have like a set count. I kind of just, go with the flow until I feel like the braid is the same size as the other one and as the same size as the hair in the back. So here's where I was trying to do a design. I've been seeing pictures on like Instagram and Facebook of people doing these braids, and they have like little triangle pieces that are like single braids, and then they're fed into one of the braids going back. So I was trying to attempt to do that. I tried to make the triangle parts, but yeah, it just didn't turn out looking like the picture I grabbed inspo from. But yeah, I still went ahead and kept it in. But yeah, I was supposed to do more of this design in my head, but it didn't work out. So I ended up just keeping the two on each side, or the one on each side, and yeah. So yeah, you can watch me try to do that, and I guess you can see if you can do it better than me, because I didn't do well. So as you can see, it doesn't look like much. So yeah, I just finished that, and then I want to go ahead and finish doing the rest of this side. As I said, I did attempt to do this again further down, but it didn't work out. So yeah, I just went ahead and continued with the regular feed-in braids, and then I went ahead and did the rest of my head on the other side. And please don't mind my skin, y'all. Your girl's been struggling. My face has been breaking out really bad. But I wanted to get this video done, so I still came in front of this camera. But yeah, anyways, I am finished now. So I am putting, of course, some mousse on my hair, just, you know, to sleek everything down. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges. I didn't lay them that well. I was tired from doing this hairstyle, so this isn't like the best baby hairs I can do, but yeah, for the purpose of this video, that's what I did. And yeah, I'm gonna come in for the last clip, which, you know, actually was a few days afterwards, so the braids don't look as fresh as they do like in these clips. But yeah, just act like it was the same day, even though it wasn't. And here is the final look. I really like how it turned out. I really love this color, like for real, I really love this color. And yeah, I've been wearing it back kind of like this. And I hope you all just enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as always. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.